Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. Okay, so today we will be discussing and sharing about 5.2.6. Okay, it's supposed to be yesterday, but since the MCO is extended, so I would like to give a little bit time for you guys. Okay, so for this subtopic, so you need to know the lock and key hypothesis. Okay, how does enzyme produce a product? Okay, so basically enzymes, okay, are made from polypeptide. Okay, they are made from protein that being folded into three-dimensional. Okay, so enzyme, it is not a 2D, okay, like you saw in the textbook. Okay, it is folded in three-dimensional. Okay, however, okay, not all parts of the enzyme are for the binding of substrate. Okay, there is one part of enzyme which is specific for substrate to bind. Okay, we call that the part is active site. Okay, active site could be really small. Okay, in the enzyme. Okay, enzyme could be really big, but the active site is really small. It depends on the type of active site as well. However, not all parts of the enzymes are active site. There is only one part that is suitable and specific for the enzyme to bind. Okay, so why it is called as lock and key hypothesis? Okay, so this is because, okay, the enzyme represented a lock. Okay, so a lock need a key to open the lock. Okay, that's why, because it is very specific. Okay, not all key can bind, can fit into the lock kan. Tak semua kunci boleh masuk ke dalam lubang mangga tu kan. Sebab itulah kita panggil dia sebagai, ataupun lubang padlock. Okay, sebab itulah kita panggil sebagai spesifik. Maksudnya tak semua kunci boleh buka mangga. Okay, however, this is only a basic theory. Okay, if you learn deeper, okay, there will be another theory. Okay, that kind of theory is different. Okay, which teori yang kamu akan belajar nanti, teori tu lebih kepada enzyme ni boleh berubah bentuk ikut shape of substrate. Okay, maksudnya enzyme tu boleh catalyze anything as long as enzyme tu boleh ubah ikut bentuk substrate tersebut, active site substrate tersebut ya. Active site enzyme tu ubah ikut substrate. Okay, tak apa. So untuk kali ini kita cuma nak tengok lock and key hypothesis. Okay. Okay, so this is the picture that I screenshot from the textbook. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. Tak perlu ada banyak steps. Okay, only 3 steps. And as you can see, dekat sini kita guna this kind of arrow. Okay, arrow pula. Arrow. Okay, arrow. Maksudnya, okay, this is substrate. Okay, this one is not the substrate for this enzyme. Okay, kamu nampak dia semua macam sama, dia punya bentuk. Okay, dia fit. Okay, dan akan menghasilkan enzyme substrate complex. Okay, you must write the word enzyme substrate complex ni bila di mana enzyme and the substrate join together and they form a complex. And after the formation of enzyme substrate complex, products will be formed. Okay, produk selalunya lebih kecil lah daripada substrate kalau kita nak breakdown kan. Dan kamu tengok, okay, based on this diagram, you can memorize the characteristic of enzyme. Okay, enzyme is specific. Okay, can be reusable. Okay, unchanged after the reaction is finished. Dan reversible. Inilah maksudnya reversible. Maksudnya the similar enzyme. Okay, kalau produk sendiri pun datang, dia duduk. Okay, atas enzyme tersebut di atas active site, dan boleh juga menghasilkan enzyme substrate complex dan boleh juga menghasilkan substrate. Okay, inilah maksudnya karakteristik of enzyme yang reversible tu Which one? This one, okay. Not this one. Okay, most of the enzyme reaction are reversible. Okay, this one is the meaning of reversible. Maksud daripada produk yang kamu hasilkan, kita boleh hasilkan substrate yang sama menggunakan juga enzim yang sama. Okay. Okay, this is the another picture, another diagram actually for the lock and key hypothesis. Okay, sama juga similar active site. Okay, must be fit. Kan kamu tengok kan, tak semua bahagian enzim ni dia ada active site. Bagi active site cuma ada kat atas ni je. Okay, yang lain semua ni adalah structure of enzyme lah. Okay, formation of enzyme substrate complex. Okay, yang ni dia salah sikit diagram. Okay, dia mesti guna sengkang macam tu Okay, tapi sini diagram ni dia ada enzyme product complex. Okay, tak perlu ikut yang ni sebab yang ni saya ambil diagram daripada Google, syllabus semua lain. Kamu kena ikut yang ni je Okay, ni semua pada buku teks. Dan hasilkan enzyme. Dan hasilkan products. Okay. Okay, that's all for today 5.2.6. Okay, see you in the next chapter.